How to fix TikTok you are following too fast. So, hello guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Click on the TikTok app and then click on the force stop option. When you click on force stop, now click on the storage and then click on clear data and click delete. Go back, click on the power usage details and click on the app launch option. Now you have to disable this option and click OK. Now last thing you want to do is go back to the settings and this time you go to the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it and then disable it. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and thank you very much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.